Craig, thanks so much for hosting us today. We just love coming to the REDARC facility. REDARC and Hema have had such a strong brand partnership as you guys have supported us in our Map Patrol exploits across the country. Hema is celebrating its 40th year of exploring Australia and the world. And we've been on a long mission to just explore the most remote tracks, provide the explorers with the most remote detail in the country. You guys are celebrating 45 years this year.
We sure are.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So what have been the key products that sort of set you on your journey and have been mission critical to your expansion?
Yeah, so look, REDARC research, designs and manufactures a very diverse range of products. Everything from off-grid power solutions to safe trailer braking products. And over the years have evolved to what they are today. So we started the business with things like ignition systems for Porsches and also voltage reducers for trucks. And now what you see REDARC delivering to the market is not only continuing to do those products, but we also supply aftermarket products that enable people to be off-grid for prolonged periods of time. So what we're excelling is getting people off-grid, being self-sufficient on the battery power, and effectively having no limits. Right? And I see some similarities between REDARC and Hema in this area because we're both Australian businesses, we're both very innovative, and as I say to many consumers, when we talk about REDARC, we enable you to get up to the mountains or down to the beach, be self-sufficient. You've got Hema navigating your way to these remote locations, and of course we've got REDARC enabling you to be powered off-grid for days, weeks, if not months throughout the year.
If you look back at the history of REDARC, probably some key milestone products that you guys did that really shaped the way the future of the company went, or introduction to new markets. What were they?
It depends on the market segment that we're speaking of, but in the off-grid power management solutions, probably the product that most people know and a lot of people have in their vehicles is our smart battery isolator. So that's a very basic, cost-effective dual battery system that's monitoring the voltage levels of your start battery to ensure that your start battery doesn't go flat when it's sending power through to your auxiliary battery. And we've developed products such as our BCDC, which stands for Battery Charger Direct Current. It's an in-vehicle battery charger that enables you to charge a second or auxiliary battery to 100% state of charge.
So how does that help the customers explore further?
Well, it's all about knowing how long you can stay off-grid for. So REDARC's products such as our battery management systems or the new smart battery monitor that we released only about 6 months ago, what that enables you to do is to measure the amount of time until your battery is fully charged in terms of how much power you've got going into the system. But we're also able to calculate load consumption. So when you start turning on your coffee machine or the PlayStation, how much time until your battery is fully flat. So REDARC's products enable you to have the visibility through very simple user interfaces to be able to see how much time you have left and how much time you can spend off-grid.
But clearly a culture of innovation just seems to be foundational for REDARC, how you operate this amazing facility, which is world-class. How has that culture of innovation been so important to the development of the business, the brand, and your own culture?
So look, it all starts with research and development, and that fuels our innovation and our ability to bring new products to market. So when you look at how REDARC goes about it, we reinvest close to 12% of every single dollar of revenue back into research and development activities. And that's what fuels our innovation. So when you look at competitor products, quite often we're referred to as the benchmark. So REDARC is the benchmark in which our competitors are measured. We're always working on new products. We've got product roadmaps that go out 3 to 5 years, so we're always bringing new products to market and keeping ahead of what our competition is doing.
Yeah, so you're always looking to that next horizon.
That's correct.
Part of the challenge of exploring and innovating is that you can sometimes go the wrong way, you can make the mistakes. How do you back yourselves to cross that new horizon with success?
Yeah, so look, we've got sales representatives all over Australia and increasingly all over the world. And they're always talking to their local communities and our customers to get feedback on how they're using our products and what they want them to do. So in Australia, we have very harsh conditions, a lot of dust, a lot of moisture, a lot of vibration that our products go through. So we're always rigorously testing our products to suit those conditions. And that's what Australian consumers love about our products. They know that we're an Australian business, we're manufacturing here for the conditions that they experience.
So how do you go about that testing here at REDARC?
We've got facilities at the back of the manufacturing facility here.
Yeah, we saw them this morning, amazing.
Yeah, EMC facilities, so we're able to actually measure the electromagnetic compatibility of our products with other electrical equipment within the vehicle. And we do accelerated life cycle testing as well. So we're able to send our products through extreme temperatures, down to minus 20 degrees Celsius, up to 80 degrees Celsius within minutes, whilst vibrating them to ensure that they can actually withstand the conditions that our customers are putting them through.
So that means I can explore with confidence with your product absolutely anywhere in the world, whether I'm in Antarctica or the Sahara or in the Australian outback. You guys have tested it far longer than I'm going to out there in my Map Patrol.
You got it. Anywhere in the world, Rob.
So what's new? What's coming from REDARC?
Well, as I said, we've got a very long product roadmap, always got new products coming to market. In the last year, we've had 2 exceptional products being launched into the market, one being our smart battery monitor, and that enables you to monitor the state of charge and also the amount of time until your battery's full or the amount of time until your battery's left as you're turning on and off devices. And it's got Bluetooth connectivity. So that product, compared to our competitors, we've got about 5 times more accuracy and in terms of connection on the Bluetooth, because we're using Bluetooth 5.1 technology, we're able to go 1.5 times more distance than the leading competitor within this product category. So one of the things that you'll always see with REDARC products is that there's a point of difference, or what we call a unique value proposition, where you can line our product up against the closest competitor, and you always see where the value sits. We've always got better features, better benefits in our products compared to what else you see in the market, and that's where the value comes through. The second product that we launched only about 2 months ago was our Manager Alpha, and this is our new battery management system. So now we've got 3 models within the range, charging 50, 75 and also 100 amp output, 12 volt battery banks. They have within the battery management system the new smart battery monitor, which is rated up to 500 amps in terms of its current rating. It comes with the Red Vision display, so you've got the ability to be able to, through a very simple user interface, see how much time is left within your battery bank.
Whenever I want to go see the data, it's there on the simple display.
It's available.
Craig, thanks again for your time and your team's time this morning. Just love coming here. We're ready to hit the road, heading up to the Flinders Ranges, including with your team for the week. So we've got some more mapping to do, some more exploring to do, some more product testing to do with you guys. So thanks again for hosting us here today. Thanks so much for being a partner of the Map Patrol and everything that Hema's been doing in Australia and internationally.
You're welcome, Rob. Thanks for coming to visit REDARC and for it to be on your first stop on your journey as well. Wishing you all the best over the next 8 or 9 days that you're on the road. I'm sure you're not going to get lost with the Hema navigation tools, and certainly you're not going to run out of power with REDARC by your side as well. So thank you for the partnership over these years, and once again, congratulations on your 40 years.
Yeah, thanks, Craig. We just want to get out there and explore and do what our customers love doing. So.
Yeah, spot on.
All right, thanks again.
Thanks.